my forehead a little bit, like, yeah, like totally blending this amazing serum in my forehead, making sure to get rid of the wrinkles. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It is a serum day. I like to use a good serum on my skin. This facial serum contains vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. In case you're wondering what a serum is used to repair the skin. It's the one that is gonna fix anything that is wrong with your skin. If your skin is dry, if your skin is damaged, it's like, you know, the repair tool for your skin. It's like a cleanup remedy for your skin, that when it's done with your skin is gonna look amazing, young and fresh. So if you're interested in seeing how I make my personal 3-ingredient homemade serum, follow me to my kitchen. I'll share the recipe with you, and I'll also show you how to use it on your skin for best result. Our first ingredient is sweet almond oil, and sweet almond oil contains vitamin E. It also contains a vitamin A, and it will help to soften the skin, hydrates the skin. I'm using the sweet almond oil as a carrier oil. You can choose to use any of your favorite oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil in this recipe. So I'm going to use a tablespoon of the sweet almond oil. I'm pouring this in my bowl, and what I'm going to do next, I'm going to add another ingredient. Now my next ingredient is vitamin E oil, and vitamin E oil will help to hydrate the skin. It also is a good oil for dry skin, rough, dull looking skin, and it's also a great oil to use in your homemade recipes. So I'm going to use a half a teaspoon of the vitamin E oil. Use a half a teaspoon if you have anything under 8,000 IU. And next, guys, we are going to blend the two ingredients together. So I'm blending almond oil and vitamin E oil, and I'm totally mixing well. Next, I'm going to reach for my third ingredient, and this is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel will help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation, any form of old scars, new scars, spots, and blemishes. It is also good for sunburn. It is also good for hydrating the skin, and it will help your skin to look soft, supple, and fresh. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera gel, and make sure your aloe vera gel is 100% pure aloe vera gel. And now I'm going to blend this in with the vitamin E oil and the sweet almond oil, and I'm going to mix well. Now, when you're mixing the 3 ingredients together, it's going to have a ceramic consistency, and this is exactly how you want it to be. Now, this is a very simple recipe that you can use on your skin to hydrate, refresh, and not only that, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, smooth the skin of hyperpigmentation, boosts the collagen production in the skin. This is also good for dry skin. This is also good to use if you're going out in the sun. This is also good to go under your eyes, which will help to get rid of dark under eye circles. Now, to use this, a little goes a long way. All you need is to apply it to clean skin. So you want to wash your face the way you normally do, and then you're going to take a little after you use your facial toner, and you're going to massage it in your skin. This is good for the face, the neck, and the décolleté. So don't be afraid to use this all over, massaging the skin with this, guys. And this is good to use every day on the skin. Do not rinse this off, and you can choose to use it AM and PM for best result. Now, guys, you do not need to store this in your refrigerator. However, if you use fresh aloe vera in this recipe, then you need to save it in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. Give this a go, guys. Use it on your skin. Give it a week to work, and before you know it, guys, you're on your way to gorgeous, amazing, younger, fresher, skin clear of hyperpigmentation, skin bright looking, skin have a natural glow in no time. welcome. So there you have it, guys. Go ahead, give this serum a try. It's pretty easy to make. It's very simple, and you can use your favorite oil. You can also choose to add a little bit of an anti-aging facial oil to this, such as the Khichi oil or the rosehip oil. Use it up, hydrates the skin, pack it in the laugh line, massage it on the skin, guys, and before you know it, you're on your way to beautiful looking skin. Thank you all for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, look below. You're gonna see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Also, guys, we have merchandise. Okay, so if you look at the side or below the video, you're gonna see our merchandise. If you want to support our channel, do so by purchasing our merchandise. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.